Good morning, students. I am Sunil and I am teaching in Akal Academy. Right? So, today we will discuss about the very important topic of class 7, that is algebraic expressions. Beta, you studied how to add two algebraic expressions, how to add three algebraic expressions, how to subtract one algebraic expression from a second. But today we will discuss a very important question, beta, that if we have two algebraic expressions and your question is like this: if we have one algebraic expression and what must be added to this algebraic expression to get a second algebraic expression. So question is, what must be added to 3x square plus y square plus y minus 2xy to get a 4xy minus 9x square minus 4y square. So beta, your question is very easy. First of all, beta, you make your question very easy. First you have to rearrange your algebraic expression. First you have to write that part which have a greater power, then that power is x, and after that y, then after that only x or y, and like this. If this algebraic expression there is a 4xy minus 9x square minus 4y square, so you have to replace this algebraic expressions as minus 9x square minus 4y square plus 4xy, right? If we solve this question, so what we have to add, what must be added to this first algebraic expression. So this is rearranged. So solution is, but must be added to this. If we add x, right? If we add x to, we will write first algebraic expression. This is 3x square plus y square plus y minus 2xy, and what must be added? This is x must be added. Okay, what must be added? This is x. So to get 4xy minus 9x square minus 4y square, right beta? If we rearrange this question, so this is like this: 4xy goes to last and it will become plus 4xy, and this is the greatest power of x, this is greatest power of y, and this is only xy, right beta? Now we have to change something. We take this whole algebraic expression from left side to right. So beta, when any number or any algebraic expression or any x or y, when goes from left to right, its sign will change, right? So x is as it is. This is positive x. This is positive x now, right? So we have minus 9x square minus 4y square plus 4xy as it is. This is right side. Now we have to take all the algebraic expression from left side to right, right beta? So this is plus 3x square, so it will become minus 3x square. Here we have a plus y square, it will convert into minus y square. Then this is plus y, but here we write minus y. This is minus 2x, but to right side it will become plus 2xy, right? So all the part of algebraic expression when goes from left to right, sign will change. Now we have minus 9x square and minus 3x square. So minus 9 and minus 3 is equal to minus 12. Minus 12x square, right beta? Now minus 4y square and minus y square, minus 4 minus 1, this is equal to minus 5y square, right? Now plus 4xy plus 2xy, So plus 4 and plus 2 is equal to plus 6. Plus 6xy, right? Plus 4xy plus 6xy. Now what will we have left? We have left only minus y. Okay, so this will become minus 12x square minus 5y square plus 6xy minus y. So what will be the value of plus x? The value of plus x, and this is additional part. So what must be added to algebraic expression? We have to add this all. When we add this, we get minus 9x square minus 4y square plus 4xy. So this is the result of a first question. When you have given what must be added. So what must be added? What we have added plus x, and all the things we write as it is. Okay beta, so this is the answer. Now beta, we take one more example. If you have given what must be subtracted, but must be subtracted from, this is very important beta, 2x cube minus 1 to get x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So beta, what must be subtracted? Now you have to subtract something, right? From where? 2x cube minus 1. What you will get? X cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So how to solve beta? So beta, these two questions are very important. Okay, solve at your notebook and understand these questions very clearly. If you don't get, then ask me again. So what must be subtracted? So your question is 2x cube minus 1. So what must be subtracted? We will subtract x. We will take this capital X. You will take A, B, C and so on. I will take only capital X. So if I subtract capital X from 2x cube minus 1, I will get x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So that this is the very important part of the question. Now this is minus x, and minus x is as it is to left side, and right portion is x cube minus 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So what will we take from left to right? We take from left to right 2x cube minus 1. So 2x cube will convert into minus 2x cube, and minus 1 will convert into plus 1, right? So minus x, beta, this is very important part. You have minus x, okay, minus x to left side. So x cube and minus 2x cube. So plus 1 minus 2 is equal to what? What? Minus 1. So this is left minus 1x cube, right? So minus 2x square is only 1 plus 3x is only 1 plus 1, and plus 1 is equal to plus 2. I think there is no any number other than x cube. So x cube minus 2x cube, this is only minus 1x cube. 2x square is only 2x square with a negative sign. 3x is alone, therefore this is plus 3x. Plus 1 and plus 1, this is plus 2. Now beta, when we remove the negative sign, or when we subtract, when we divide both sides by negative sign, so it will be converted with the positive, right? This sign will convert into positive. It means we have to change all the sign from right side. So minus sign will convert into positive, okay, and my plus sign will convert into negative. So beta, this is the answer. Why these signs changes? Because when we divide both sides by -1. So minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus. Okay, like this. Minus divided by minus, plus. Plus divided by minus, minus. Right? So this is whole about very important question from class 7, exercise 6.3. So beta, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve related question at your home on the notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.